Yo guys, this is Chris and welcome back. I decided to unbox my Jeffree Star mystery box at my job and it's already past 5, so I'm dedicated. It looks like I'm actually a great employee since I'm staying after 5, so hey, it's a win-win situation. And you can see the train behind me, so I can wave to everyone. I'm probably gonna have to stop every like 2 minutes and filming. So let's just start unboxing it. I ended up getting the middle box, the deluxe box that was like 75 or 70 something because the small one was a little too small for me and the big one was just a little too big for me. I like it in the middle, you know, that's what she said. So let's start unboxing this. I'm gonna ruin the box. It's so cute and it has these little ghosts. So let's just start making a mess. I have opened this backwards. I'm doing something. Oh crap, did I open it right? No, I opened it right. Automatically, we can start off with the shirt. And I like getting extra large because I like the oversized feel when I'm like sleeping. These are like perfect pajamas. Like I wear all of his shirts that I've gotten mystery boxes as pajamas. So this is the first shirt. I'm gonna put this on, guys. You know what? There's like people looking at me across the street. They're like, what is this girl doing? And why is she stripping? Why is I've been taking clothes off on and on here, but I really don't care if they see me because come on, I don't got nothing. Woo! This is so weird because in my apartment, I don't have this much space and I don't even have an echo. Ooh, I look so fallish. I'm very fall. Hi guys, what's up? All right guys, let's continue this unboxing. We have here a liquid frost, an Ice Queen. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen so many of these unboxing videos because I got mine's pretty late, but I'm opening this backwards again. Oh my God, what is up with me today? Okay, I just don't want to mess up the packaging. I can't get this out. I can't get this out. What is up with me? Oh, it was on the other side. Ice Queen, there's a great song by With the Temptation. They're like a female fronted metal band from the Netherlands. Is it Netherlands? They're great and they have a song called Ice Queen. That's how it starts. I sound really witchy. It's really good. You should look it up. Look up Ice Queen by With the Temptation. Oh, it's a dirty pink color, guys. Look at that. There it is. All right, let's go into the lipstick. I think this is the exclusive one. The snow cone, it's gonna be really green. Is this it? Yes, it is a light green, but it's gonna be more just like a hint of shimmer on your lips. This is pretty. We have a gloss. Ooh, I'm not a big gloss person. This is like a dark, like a bronzy gloss. It's a JLo gloss, basically. So that is the bronzy gloss in Crystal Climax. Crystal Climax. Oh, here comes the train. Hello, everyone. Wow, that's a packed train. This is gonna be the palette, guys. I already know what palette I'm getting. Mini breaker. Oh my God, I sound so annoying. When I edit myself, I'm like, God, who would watch me? I don't know. But this is a mini breaker palette. I'm gonna open it up. Ooh, pretty. I don't think I'm gonna use any of these colors because I feel like I have them already. Maybe I can give this in a giveaway. I did give away stuff on my Instagram, so follow me on Instagram. I might give this away. Oh, whoever packaged this really did it so pretty. I don't want to ruin the pretty packaging and I just don't know how they're doing this. Oh my God, how do you do this? Well, I'm just gonna do it like this and we'll move on from there. So we have a Skin Frost Halloween edition in Mystery Frost. Ooh, Mystery Frost. Oh, that's amazing. It's like Chips Ahoy, basically. It has like little like chips in it. I don't know how to explain it. Ooh, this is nice. I'm just gonna put on all this. Yeah, it's in like a bronzy look. This is actually perfect for summer. Ooh, and even has like some touches of black. I'll put some on here because that's what people do. I just want to eat it for some reason. And then we have a liquid lipstick and Christmas cookie. Ooh, it's Nightmare Before Christmas and it's a nude color. Oh, and let me swatch it. Where do I swatch it? Where do I swatch it? Right here. That's pretty. That's pretty. And I ended up getting the mirror. So here is the beautiful mirror. And orange is my favorite color, so this is perfect. Oh, look at you. Look at my set. This is it. This is my light. That's my camera. That's me within me within me. And then that is the entire office. Yes, that is it. This is cool. You know what bothers me? The little angles for some reason. This is really pretty, but that's it. I look like a cone head. You know, I hate when they make these so long. So that is it, guys. That is a quick unboxing of the Jeffree Star Deluxe box. It's a deluxe box, the middle child box, that one. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe and like this video and follow me on Instagram, and don't mind my work background. That's where we serve food. This is where people mingle and talk, and this is where Chris ended up after work going downstairs and filming and sneaking away. Made it look like I'm a great employee because I might be working but not technically working, you know what I mean? But you know, the hustle is real. I even have decorations behind me just to make it like more homey. This is now turning into like what I have in my office. I have like my I do not work here. This is Sailor Mercury. This is the least popular Sailor Scout. Like, no one likes Sailor Mercury for some reason. She has a pretty color, but no one likes her. I don't know why. But I have Sailor Mercury, gotta represent her, because she's pulling off that short bob, guys. Think about it. So I'm sorry, Sailor Mercury, for being the least popular Sailor Scout. And then I have my awesome I can't even talk, I'm like spitting everywhere. And then I have my awesome plant. This skull was given to me by my co-worker back when I was in Nashville, Rachel, shout out to Rachel. And then I ended up buying like the plants, and it has like a purple like spray to it, and it's been growing. I'm keeping it alive, guys, because you know, it's so ironic. So that was like my decor that you probably couldn't tell. I was trying to make it that way. But before the train comes, thank you guys for watching. Bye. And stay tuned for more videos. I was gonna say something like really like witty, but the train was coming. All right, guys, I'll catch you next time.